Welcome to the deep dive. So today, we're doing something a little different. We're not just going to read you a spec sheet.
Yeah.
We're taking a single professional kit, the Datavideo TP-650B prompter and its hard case, and we're going to figure out what its design really tells us about, the needs of modern production.
It's a perfect little case study, isn't it? Our whole mission here is to unpack the specific choices that take this from just a simple tablet holder to a really rugged professional tool.
Okay, so let's get right into it. The first thing that jumps out to me is the compatibility. I mean, who is this really built for?
Well, the biggest thing is flexibility. It's built around these adjustable mounting brackets.
So it's not a one-size-fits-all thing?
Not at all. It's engineered to hold everything from a smaller Android tablet all the way up to that massive 12.9-inch iPad Pro. And this is key. It includes a camera riser.
Ah, for the bigger cameras.
Exactly. So it can align perfectly with traditional professional ENG cameras. It basically bridges the gap between the consumer tech you already have and high-end broadcast gear.
Okay, so the device flexibility is there. But what about the actual, reading experience for the talent? The glass has to be good, or the camera shot is ruined.
Right. And that brings us to maybe the most important technical detail, the beam splitter.
The glass itself.
The glass itself. The frame holds a 60/40 glass sheet.
And that 60/40 number is important.
It's everything. That specific ratio is the industry standard for a reason. It means 60% of the light goes straight through to the camera lens, so you get a clean shot.
And the other 40%.
The other 40% reflects the script back to the presenter. It's really the perfect balance for clear prompting without making the final video look dark or hazy.
And for control, there's a Bluetooth remote, which is pretty standard. But let's talk about the physical reality of this. How do you get this thing on location?
Well, this is where the logistics come in. The unit itself is only 8 pounds.
8 pounds? Okay. So about 4 kilograms.
Exactly. That weight and its size, it's about 20 by 14 by 6 inches. That's really important. It means the prompter itself is usually compliant with airline carry-on rules.
Which, for a traveling producer, is a deal breaker. You can't check that kind of gear.
You never check the glass.
But wait a second, 8 pounds? That sounds almost too light for professional equipment. Does that raise questions about durability? Is it flimsy?
That is a great question, and that's where the other half of this kit becomes the main story.
The case.
The HC600 carry case. Datavideo knew the frame needed to be light, so they bundled it with serious protection. This isn't just a padded bag. It's certified water and dust resistant.
Okay, so it handles the real-world risks.
Yeah,
Rain, sand, all the stuff that kills gear on location.
precisely.
And I think this is where it gets really smart. The inside of that case, it's not just empty space, right? It has that pre-cut foam.
The dice foam, yes. And that foam is just crucial for workflow
How so?
because it's not generic padding.
Yeah.
Every single piece, the brackets, the riser, the cloth hood, the glass frame,
Yeah.
it all has its own custom cradled home.
So setup and teardown is super fast.
Seconds. You just pop everything out, assemble, and go. It's built for rapid deployment.
So to sum it all up, we have this portable, durable system. The part number is TP-650B, and right now it's listed at about $825.
Right. So what this deep dive really shows you is that the modern standard for a portable teleprompter really demands 3 things. First, that optimized 60/40 glass for quality. Second, true cross-platform support for any tablet you might have. And third, a rugged, water-resistant case that makes field deployment fast and safe.
Which leaves you with a really interesting thought, doesn't it? When you consider just how much effort went into making this thing water and dust resistant, what truly unexpected places could you use a prompter this rugged?
It's far beyond a clean TV studio.
Exactly. Think about extreme weather reporting or maybe remote disaster zones. It really opens up where you can bring that level of professionalism. Definitely some food for thought.